Jail employee thinks she's above the law.
What's going on, guys?
She brake checked me, trying to make it look like it's my fault when this girl literally almost caused me a car crash all the way on the intersection. I'm driving behind her. Literally, she kept going in front of me. I'm like trying to get away from her. She brake checked me. I'm already over here trying to get over to the side so she doesn't hit me.
I know I already called.
Oh my god, take a breath. Holy shit. That's so much word vomit. It all just, it rattled my brain.
I already called dispatch. I know you guys are already on the phone with 911 trying to report her, and they heard the accident over there. So I understand.
Yeah, I even have this guy that pulled over to talk to us. She's like, yeah, you can even tell the cops to call us. I have his number. Like, the car is, it's like my door won't even open.
Are you the driver?
Yeah.
Can you get me your license, registration, and insurance?
Dude, I hate people that brake check. I feel like that's so, like, I can understand kind of slowing down a little bit, you know, make them change lanes if you really want to be like an asshole. But I really don't understand, like, the hard brake checking. Like, your insurance is going to go up too, right? That's how it works. Like, people can't handle it.
Can I have your license?
She knocks back. That's pretty good.
I need your light. Can you step out of the vehicle? Hey, she's not providing information, not stepping out of the vehicle, Sarge.
What's that?
She's not getting out.
Run the tag.
She works at the jail and she drives that? Is it weird that I feel like people at the jail aren't paid terribly? I thought they got paid pretty well.
Red in color, Ford Taurus.
While the officer runs the suspect's information in his squad, the suspect flings her door open and confronts the other officers.
The officer with the bald head, what's his name?
Sergeant Loudworth.
God, he is over here. So can you please come over here, please? Thank you. No.
And she said, can you come over here and get his name? He just told you the name. Everybody gets on the phone immediately after. It frustrates me. Like, who are you going to call that's going to get you out of this? You brake check somebody.
We're involved in a crash.
No, I don't.
You can't just shut the door, okay?
No, I don't want you to open my door.
You can't shut the door.
No, I said no.
You can't shut the door.
No, I said no. I said no.
We need your license.
I said no. I work in the jail. I know my rights. I said no. Back up.
Put your hands on me. You're gonna go.
Okay, back up. Back up.
Go to jail. You put your hands on me.
And get off my property. Back
You're
up.
gonna go to jail.
Back up and get off my property.
Ma'am.
Back up and get off my property. Back up and get up. I work in the jail.
But if you work at the jail, you know what we can do.
She said the same 3 sentences like 100 times.
Back up
she's like
and get
broken.
off my property.
I have to do this.
No, you're not doing shit. You're wasting my AC and my gas. Back up and get back. I know him. Get back. Get back. Otherwise, I would have opened the fucking window. I'm not stupid.
Okay, you open the door
I'm not
though.
stupid. Hello?
That's it. You can't
No,
hit the
I'm
camera.
not.
You can't be hitting the camera.
I
Step
didn't
out of the
hit
car.
anything.
Yeah, you did.
No, I
warned
didn't.
you not to do that.
I didn't hit
Get out of the car.
Stop.
No,
Get out of the car.
Stop.
Stop.
Out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Stop.
Get out of the
Sorry,
car.
Stop.
Out of the car. You need to step
Stop.
out.
Ludwig. Ludwig.
You need to step out.
Ludwig.
Step out or you're gonna go to the ground.
Ludwig.
Step out or you're gonna go to the ground. Step out or you're gonna go to the ground.
Ludwig.
Step out.
Dude, that's actually like how a 12-year-old acts. Like an actual toddler. They just start screaming like, you know, mom or whatever, whoever they have. But, oh my God, that's terrible.
You're gonna go to the ground. The car.
You're hurting me.
Hey, make sure step out and
And thank you for saying nice stream. Appreciate it.
out of the vehicle.
Ludwig.
Step out. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Step out.
Ludwig.
Step out.
Ludwig, I didn't do nothing.
You're gonna get
Are
tased.
they gonna tase it?
You're gonna get tased.
I don't think you need to.
All right, you're gonna get tased.
That's what you get, crazy bitch. Shut the fuck up, Caylee.
Step out. Step out. You can step out.
Okay, I'm on Kaylee's side.
All right, there you go.
Okay.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
I think that's the first time I've seen a woman get tased on one of these videos. The first time.
Crazy ass bitch.
Give me your hand.
Kaylee's at it again. Recording.
Don't move. It's gonna get tighter. Okay.
Get me up inside.
Get up here.
Roll over on your side. Roll over on your side. There you go. Sit up.
Ludwig.
Now stand up. Stand up.
Put it secure in our car for now.
Walk back there.
Ludwig.
Walk back there. This way.
He's not listening. I don't even think she actually knows him. He asked what they asked what his name was in the very beginning. So I don't even think they know each other. She just like came up with that. Oh. That was pretty bad.
Okay, stop. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Stop.
Get in. You're gonna get tased again.
Sit down. You're gonna get tased again. You're gonna get tased again.
Get in the car.
Hold on.
I got her.
Hold on.
Sit down in the car. We'll talk, but sit down. You need to sit down in the car. You're going to get tased. Sit down in the car and we'll talk. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. You need to put your feet in.
Yeah, I think that was just an officer that was, you know, dealing with her before, and she liked being able to kind of have control over him. So that's why she's looking for him.
You're doing this all yourself. Okay, so and you need to put your feet in right now.
Ludwig, come on, Ludwig.
No,
I didn't do anything.
you're going to get tased again.
These girls.
Put your feet in and we will talk. Put your feet in and we will talk.
Their car has like actual damage to it. Like what? There's not even like we don't even need to ask you anything.
Okay.
Put your feet in and we will talk.
Who's your sergeant?
I am the sergeant. I'm trying to talk to you.
You know me.
I
know
need
you.
you to put your feet in.
Ludwig.
Put your feet in the car.
Talk through the window. Put the
I
window
know
down.
you.
That's what I'm going to do. Put your feet in the car, we'll talk through the window.
You know me and
This
I
takes
know you.
forever.
I
Oh my
didn't do
God.
anything wrong. These girls came up on me and they were racing me and they
We'll work
smashed
through
me.
it. But I need you to put your feet in the car. We'll work through
They were racing you, and then they smashed into you. So you agreed to that you were racing them? That's not any better.
it, but put your
I
feet in
gotta
the
go
car.
home to my kids.
We'll work through it, but put your feet in the car. All right?
No, because Samara,
Put that window down.
can I tell you something?
No, you need to
I
put your
don't
feet.
want to hear her
Yeah.
bullshit.
So what's your complaint? Why do you want to see an ambulance?
I don't know. You're offering, so
Well, I am
yes.
offering. So
Yes,
okay, what do you need? I have to tell them what you need it for.
but I can't breathe.
Dude, that's like well, in the US at least, that's like thousands of dollars. I don't know why anyone would just like for no reason get an ambulance.
And I don't like to be restrained.
Gotta get rescued. Bayshore and Duval.
Oh man, you
Go
get
in
charged
her
for that.
passenger glove box and try to find me her insurance information for her.
I don't have any, so don't bother.
You don't have insurance?
Yeah, go look.
I don't have it. I'm telling you. Officer Ludwig! Sergeant! Sarge!
Morning. Looking for insurance.
Stop! Don't put the window up on me! That's not even funny, bro! I work at the jail, bro! That's funny, you're on camera! That's
I'm not laughing, but you're
Yeah,
screaming and
you
yelling.
smile on your face, and I know him personally.
Okay.
So that's gonna look bad on you. You got a smile like Jasper on your face.
I'm not smiling.
Well, then you got a serious, ugly face.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Nothing in the...
What does she think? Like she's gonna still get out of this at this point? It's definitely over. Like there's no way you're getting out of this.
Doesn't make any sense, first of all. And what else?
Battery on law enforcement.
Battery?
Yeah,
I didn't hit anybody.
it's on camera.
I didn't hit anybody. I'm not stupid, hello?
Okay, you can fight it in court.
Do you need anything from these guys?
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
That wasn't bad at all, actually. Like just hitting the camera, but I think still you can't do that. I think you can get battery without assault, right? So that would still be like battery.
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
No, I'm talking to you.
Do you need anything from them?
I'm talking to you.
You guys are good to go.
Ludwig!
Alright, so this one's gonna be hers. That's yours, just right, basically.
Dude, she's so happy with the whole show that they got for free. And totally worth the damn.
Whatever you guys think pertains to whatever happened. Like from the start to finish.
If you would.
23.
How long does it take for, like, a police officer?
Like to go through school?
Yeah.
It's like 6 months for the academy and then wherever you get hired. Yeah. That's fun.
All right, guys, here's your information back.
It's fun. I really don't think it's fun. I don't know if that's a good. I just don't agree with that. I feel like it's stressful more than anything. I don't know. I couldn't do it. I wouldn't be able to do it.
We're gonna be sticking around until they finish the statements anyway.
Okay.
Familiar.
I get that a lot. She was found at fault for the accident, and speaking with the third-party independent witness, as well as talking to 911 dispatch about what happened. I found her at fault for basically brake checking you guys and causing the accident.
We even have pictures, even before she did this, like she was literally going in between lanes. Like,
yeah, he said he got them. He's gonna upload them to Epic. So.
Yeah, dude, she was the one racing. Where did she come up with
This is your driver's exchange of information. It's got your information, her information, everything you needed. All you got to do is call your insurance company, let them know. She does not have insurance.
She's so dumb.
So here's
That's crazy.
After the victims finish their statements, the suspect is transported to the hospital for medical clearance.
You keep kicking, you're gonna get leg with
She's like not having a good time at all.
All right, step out.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I can walk.
Okay, then walk.
I can walk. Let go. You're hurting me. You're fucking hurting me.
Even after getting medical clearance, the suspect still isn't finished with her behavior.
Reset. Reset.
Sarah, I'm asking you politely to get in my patrol car.
Only gonna make it
Get in.
worse.
This is like a different
I
thing.
don't want him.
I'm giving you a lawful order to get my
I feel threatened by him. I don't want him. I don't want him at all.
Go sit down.
I will. I don't want him in this car.
That's too bad. It's his car.
No, I don't. Then I want to go in a different car.
You have that option.
Sarah, you gotta get some more charges. You want that? Is that what you want, really?
I don't feel comfortable.
You want that? Nothing's gonna happen. The camera's on the whole time.
This is not funny. He's fucking laughing.
Nobody's laughing.
I gotta itch my face.
You got a what?
Where?
Where you want to itch?
No, I need a tissue. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to be in this car.
Too bad. It's not an option.
It's gonna get to where they just tase her again and push her in, and I don't know why.
Stop pushing me. I will. You're pushing me.
Tara, sit down.
I will. Tell him to get his hand off me, please.
Sit down.
I will sit. Thank you. This is fucked. You know it. This is fucked. No, I don't want to. No, I don't want it. I don't. I feel claustrophobic.
So when you get in a car crash and you die and your kids don't have anyone,
yeah.
Is that what you want?
Yeah, I don't want it. Thank you. No, I want to refuse. I don't want it.
It's just voluntary if you do the seatbelt or not. I'm good. It's over. She's so lost.
Good to go.
Oh, and the worst part is she works at the jail. Like, do you just have people like that at the jail? Like, no wonder it's a terrible place where nothing good ever happens. Like, you got people like that working there.
Rock Road.
Oh my god.
St. Lucie County Jail. Not for you. Can you let the Rock know that I got a super combative subject that's kicking and screaming, and I'm gonna need assistance when I get there.
Get me the fuck out now.
I'm not taking her out. As of right now, we got 3 counts of Bat Leo resisting with.
Oh wow.
I think she works here. She's a nurse.
She's a nurse? Oh man. Why did the worst people become nurses? Why? I don't know if that's true for all of them. Obviously not. But some really weird ones be nurses.
Due to the suspect's erratic behavior, an officer requests for a urine sample to determine if she's under the influence.
If you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months.
Weirdly? I think she's not. I think she should. That's weird.
Your privilege has been previously suspended. Refusal to submit to the test that I have requested.
I don't understand.
Evidence.
Yeah, I need you to back up 7 chapters. I don't understand.
She's just being annoying.
So you want me to take a urine test, and if I don't take a urine test, I can have a misdemeanor or a felony?
Yes, ma'am. That is exactly
For what? For what?
Okay.
So
we believe that you have taken something, or that something may be in your system. We are requesting that you take a urine test so that we can determine if something is in your system.
No. I'm not taking anything.
Okay, that's all I need.
And you go to jail.
Hello?
Hi, is this Caylee?
Yes.
Hey, it's Officer McCauley. I was just calling to see if you had the chance to upload those pictures yet.
Oh yeah, I thought I did.
You might have to hit submit.
Yeah, I don't think.
I probably didn't do that, but let me resubmit them for you right now. Sorry about that.
No, I appreciate it.
Yeah, they're all uploading now. Sorry about that.
Okay, yeah.
There was 2 videos.
Yeah, that's gonna be a fun video. Show your friends, I guess.
That's what you get, crazy bitch. Shut the fuck up, Caylee.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it, right? They're not even looking like they're showing the charges. Oh, here we go.
Counts of felony battery on a law enforcement officer.
Yeah, damn, 3? That's so bad. I feel like this is long. So she was drunk, DUI, moving traffic violation, reckless driving, damage to property. Oh my God. Yeah, you're not getting another job.
DUI, damage to property, resisting without violence, reckless driving, and refusal to submit to DUI testing after previously having her license suspended. She no longer works at the county.
Oh wow, you could even get battery for the EMTs and the fire. Wow, you can't be hitting nobody then. Wow, that was pretty interesting. I didn't mind that one. License suspended for just a year. Is that what he said?
Jail, and she is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. License suspended. She no longer works at the county jail, and she is innocent to submit to DUI testing after previously having her license suspended. She no longer works at the county jail, and she is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Oh, she already had her license suspended. That's so bad.